today I'm going to be making a stress relief ball. So let's get started. Make this yourself. The ingredients you'll need are some Epsom salt, a spoon, plate, balloon, and I have a bunch of food coloring here. So some salt is colored here, and I'm just going to be putting it into my bowl. So I think I'm going to be doing this inside of the bag of this Epsom salt so that I don't ruin my carpet or plate. You want to make sure it is right here and like not on this little part here, and you can fill it up halfway to make it so you have to squish it harder, or you can fill it up mostly and just have it tougher, and that's how I prefer it. But let's tie this balloon up. Okay, so the stress ball is done. You have this nice little ball here. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.